In an increasingly health and safety-conscious world, safety data sheets are essential tools for managing chemicals in companies. Both the REACH regulation and the European directives and national occupational health and safety legislation require that SDSs are always accessible to personnel. The SDS Viewer of SDS-FullService was designed to make the access and consultation of safety data sheets easy and efficient for everyone. It is accessible via browser and compatible with mobile and fixed devices, allowing personnel to access SDSs at any time and place. The solution allows the most up-to-date version of SDSs received from suppliers to be always available, thus ensuring compliance with current regulations and safety in the workplace. The SDS Viewer has a self-explanatory interface that is prepared so that users can use it without any special training. Finding the necessary information is easy and fast. Whether in case of emergency or for simple reference, personnel can intuitively access safety data sheets by filtering them by product name, manufacturer, or facility. The search result shows the list of SDSs that meet the indicated parameters, displaying for each of them the data that the company considers useful for workers. From here you can open the desired PDF of the safety data sheet to view it in its entirety. Using the SDS-FullService Viewer means investing in safety while ensuring efficiency and compliance with current regulations. Thanks to the SDS Viewer, you can improve your awareness of chemical-related dangers. Have certainty that personnel access the latest version of the received SDS. Obtain a widespread distribution. All with simplicity, easy search for users, and security. Access to documents may only be permitted to authorized users. Thank you for your attention and visit our website, sdsfullservice.com.